Alrighty, so here's what I'm thinking for today. Right now, my bias is bearish, um, mainly because we're up here taking out these 4-hour highs on ES. We're above these 4-hour highs, currently stripping them out. Maybe form a 4-hour SMT, but that's gonna be a minute, maybe till 9 o'clock till we figure that out. We're a little lower here on price. 1 hour, we don't really have much going on, to be honest with you. We're just sweeping out these hourly highs right now. Main thing I saw was on the 30-minute. We have this 30-minute gap here. Hasn't really been completed, I would say. I feel like we still need to push out back to these lows if it wants to get like a reaction, like to complete, or or an inverse. So I think this is still valid, still holding. Um, which on ES we already inversed it and we're already pushing up higher, So like I'm saying, we could get some like just like higher time from SMT is what I'm thinking. Don't have much going on here. So right now, coming to market open, honestly, just looking for a change of order for the downside is what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. Looking to be bearish here. This hourly gap is cooked. Gotta retrace into this 4-hour gap. We already pushed out to take this out, so this gap is technically done right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the bearish bias unless, like yesterday, unless I get completely fucking proven otherwise. So right now, coming to market open, I'm looking to break past this low and this low here on. What? We have 5 minutes till market. See you guys. I don't know. I'll be back once market opens. Alright, we got 30 seconds, around 30 seconds for market opening. I'm looking to see if this gap gets inversed here. Okay, it did. Alright, so we're bullish on 30-minute here. 15's reacting off the fair value gap. Okay. Broke 15-minute. Okay. Broke 5-minute structure to the upside, 15-minute to the upside. And ES is already bullish. Okay. I'm gonna keep being patient here. We're still have that SMT, so still want to keep being patient here. New 5-minute low, we're trying to get a break on. Okay. Okay, market's looking super bullish. Like my rules do say to be bearish just because we're taking out highs and stuff, but market is looking super bullish right now. I'm gonna keep being patient though, you know, until proven otherwise. I'll be bearish, but we broke 15-minute, broke 30-minute. Let's be up 40. We're about to sweep out hourly highs here. Kind of want to see what happens after we sweep these out. We already swept out these highs on ES. Oh shit, nothing's, oh there we go. Okay. Already swept them out on ES. Just gonna keep waiting here though. Okay. Let's see. Freaking SMT to the downside. Universe of that gap. Okay, we're kind of going in opposite directions right now, so I'm kind of trying to wait a little bit here. It's interesting because we're getting this S&T here, so I'm gonna keep waiting here. Check these out as well. More than 4 hour gap. Oh shit, my broker isn't even connected, bro. Let's get some here. There's no SMT there. We're getting a strong reaction though. I'm gonna buy in here, go for longs. That's fine. Shit might come and bite me in the ass, but what I'm thinking is like, okay, so we took out these, what I'm thinking though right now is just like, so we're bullish on the 15 minute, we just broke structure. 30 minute, inverse this gap at market open right here that I was looking to hold to push out to this, right? So we broke structure there as well. 5 minute, you already know, we got the 5 minute break, and we already tagged equilibrium on this candle here. So we're already in equilibrium here, and we just got the 1 minute break out of equilibrium. And ES is alongside really super bullish. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if ES gets to all-time highs. We're also holding a 4-hour gap right now, which is completely valid. This gap here we're holding. I will say though, if this does not break past this high, we might be smoked. This 4-hour candle here, even this 1 hour. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if this comes and bites me in the ass. We'll see. Wait, this is looking right now. It looks like it's gonna bite me in the ass. We do have a 15-minute gap though. That's kind of holding this right now. It's closing in 2 minutes, so we'll see here. Hasn't been formed yet, but so 1 minute for it to form. We'll see how it plays off of it. The gap is on ES though, it's not in Q. But yeah, that's kind of my thinking there. I mean, the 15-minute broke structure to the upside. Maybe your stop should be below this 15-minute here. Like this. The 15-minute broke to the upside, and 30-minute inverse this gap here. We got ES. That 15 gap didn't even form, so that's a rip. Yeah, we might be cooked here, I can't lie to you guys. we just reswept 15-minute lows. Golly, holy dump. There had to be something to come out right. Oh shit. Alrighty. This is going kind of crazy right now. What the heck? Broke structure here. Find some T forming here. Oh wait, this 4-hour gap is invalid. This is holding now, so oh, this is the 4-hour gap, the tripping balls, bro. Jesus. This is valid though. Okay. And 4 hours here. Okay. Alright. See what happens here. We just got a 5-minute formed on ES. We'll see if we inverse this gap. This is a 5-minute. We would want to see the inverse there. We have no 5-minute gap or anything on NQ right now. Or on 15-minute. Or this. Yeah, kind of nothing right now, so kind of just waiting. See what happens with this 5-minute on ES. See if we inverse it. If we inverse it, that'd be huge. Huge for the program. Crazy work. Okay, we didn't move into the gap just yet. We are moving down though. On ES and on NQ right now, so. Could be forming a 5-minute SMT to the downside right now. We'll see. We haven't even touched this 5-minute gap yet on ES. We just swapped out these 5-minute highs. This is literally what it's looking like right now. So this could go. Okay, we need to inverse this gap for it to look good for us. We'll see if it happens here or not though. We're stripping out these 5-minute highs. So what I was saying is pretty much we get like some sort of 5-minute SMT like this, and then start the rotation to this low or whatever it needs to do here, because it looks like we're sweeping pretty hard. At least on NQ it does. On here it looks like we could break, but thank you for new break here though. This high. Break past this high right here. Be dope, huge. Be huge for the program. It's kind of fucking way out there, I can't lie. So we're all these, can't lie to you. 9 a.m. Alright. Pushing into this 5-minute right now. Maybe. 30 minutes looks like a fucking equilibrium hit. 45 still at him. Got 4 minutes and we get a new 4-hour candle. 9 a.m. Sort of make it or break it type deal. Pushing into this 5-minute right now. We're in this 5-minute gap right now on yes. Let me pull it up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is the gap I was talking about that we kind of need the inverse for it to be a W in our favor. Let's see if we can get it to inverse. Be huge for the program. Oh, you're playing with a deck of cards. Still got 2 minutes on this candle, so looks good right now though. Everything could change in a matter of seconds though, so. Okay, 1 minute for this 5 minutes to close. We could manage our risk off. Yes, actually, we could take it after, take maybe this high out here. That could be a play there, because that's what daily high that's rolling nearby. Top of this low resistance liquidity's up here though, so that's what I'm saying, brother. That's the top, that's all-time highs. We can manage here and then, yeah, we'll do that. We'll play it like that. We'll do that. Okay, we inverse that gap. That's awesome for the program. Could you not? We also broke 4-hour structure on whatchamacallit, on NQ. So that's also massive. Huge. Can't really adjust stops at all right now though, because we're kind of in this little zone right here, so kind of just have to wait a little bit. Okay, so let's pull, what's the call? Let's pull up ES over here. Call. So what I'm thinking is like this is money flood zone right here, right? That's what I'm thinking right here, because like again, don't have anything, nothing until we get up here. So my opinion, this is a little flood zone. I'm gonna play it accordingly to the flood zone. Once we get to, let me see here. I'm gonna just pull out a new fucking tool because this shit ain't gonna be simple for me. Whoa, chill there, buddy. There's a nice little one-to-one. Right here, okay. We're closing 2 contracts once price reaches this zone right here. It's a calm little one-to-one, that's what we're gonna do. That's if price gets up there, we'll see. That's assuming it does, but that's the plan. 2 contracts once we reach that high, because that'd be a one-to-one. So what we can do is put in what is it, a sell limit that goes? Let's see. Yeah. Let's do 2 sell limits actually. One here. For 2 contracts up here. Two contracts right here. Like so. It's assuming we get up there again. We'll see if we actually do or not. Cards are backward there. Alrighty, once 9:30 hits, I'm probably gonna hop off this, just let it run and do its thing because I do gotta get some stuff done this morning. You know what we'll do actually? We're gonna do 3 contracts here, just to get the majority out of the way. Just because I know this is really long distance, so market the way market moving right now, I don't know if we can get all the way up there. It's gonna be 0.87. Yeah, I don't know about that shit. So this is a nice little 1-to-1. I'll take a little 1-to-1. Market's moving super slow. So that's why I'm just taking that 1-to-1 if we can get up there. I know yesterday I was able to cover pretty substantial distance from market open to. $30 candle. Just want to hold 1%. But it seems to be moving a little slower today, so.
El empujón tampoco lo vieron. Es legal, eso es legal, legal darle por la espalda, eso es legal. La cuestión es que si te quejas, te dicen llorón, eres un lloroncho, pero tú no te estás dando cuenta de estas cosas. Que el tema del arbitraje siempre sale señalado. Es increíble. El tema del arbitraje siempre salga señalado. El empujón tampoco. El empujón tampoco lo vieron. Es legal, eso es legal darle por la espalda, eso es legal. La cuestión es que si te quejas, te dicen llorón, eres un llorón. Everybody, what you're looking at right here is extremely high-end makeup. Some Sephora stuff that you guys are always putting on your face. Chemical sludge. This is how it's made. You guys have no idea what it's doing to your body. I want you to listen to this video right here. One of the biggest cosmetic brands, designer cosmetic brands in the world. Their ex-formulator contacted us. He said, quote unquote, cosmetic industry is destroying women's cells. CELLS, cells. And I said to him, why don't you say something? He said, I can't. Get ready with me, except my boyfriend has the video. Consistency of work. Monday. Good to see you. Good. You ready to go? Yeah. Donuts. He's about to get on the right. Got back. Yeah, I already know. Jeff Hart. If you're a day trader, we need you.
Just want that 1-to-1, man.
I ain't gonna lie. Once they scored the first half, you didn't see Lamine or Ferran Torres no more. The only time you saw Ferran Torres second half was that one time when he scored offsides. I don't know if I'm fucking stupid, and I don't know if I'm a fucking alpha blanco ass head, but I thought the rule was an attacker shoots the ball that hits the defense, and the ball goes in there and resets the ball. So when it lands on the guy's foot and he's onside and he scores it, it's a goal. Maybe I'm a fucking dumbass and I don't know the rules and I didn't play football almost fucking 100 years of my life and I seen it every fucking day. I've been playing it since I was a baby. Or do they change the fucking rules every day, bro? I'm not trying to make excuses.
Oh no way.
Lamine Yamal gets fouled, or it's a mano, or anything on the other side, and they don't even do a fucking replay. I don't get it, bro. Do they want us that out or what? Like, I don't know, bro. It's just not it, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Once they scored the first half, you didn't see Lamine or Ferran Torres no more. The only time you saw
You know how to do your taxes?
Oh, it's funny.
Cutting up Ivan Cordillo's cousin. Cutting up Ivan Cordillo's cousin. Cutting up Ivan Cordillo's.
Holy dumper fricka-rooney, dude. Jesus Christ. Alright, it's 10 more minutes and then I'm off this hill. I'll probably leave it open, just let it, I'll time lapse it or something, I don't know.
Cutting up Ivan. Cutting up. You're a barber for.
What's going on, guys? We're the owner of Ecstasy Barber Studio. My name is John. My name's Jair. And we want to present you guys Ecstasy number 2. We're looking for 8 talented barbers.
¿El Barcelona ha hecho el ridículo en los últimos 10 años por no ganar una Champions? Mentira. En los últimos 10 años, el Barça ha ganado de las 10 ligas españolas, 6. De las 10 Copas del Rey que se han disputado, 6. Y de las 10 Supercopas de España que se han disputado, 5. ¿Cuántos equipos en estos 10 años han ganado más que eso? Ninguno. Y además no olvidemos que lo ha hecho en un momento en el que tenía crisis económica y deportiva. Nada mal. El Barça es el equipo con más tripletes nacionales de la Liga Española y por si no fuera suficiente también el que tiene más dobletes. También el único equipo que ha sido capaz de ganar el triplete nacional en la historia. En cambio, el Real Madrid lleva 36 años sin ganar un doblete Liga Copa y el Atlético de Madrid 29 años. Y sí, se agarran a la Champions porque evidentemente ahí sí, son el rey de Europa, de eso ya he hablado, y son el rey de Europa por algo, pero es que la última vez que el Barça se enfrentó al Real Madrid en Champions, es decir, en la temporada 10-11 en semifinales, el Barça le metió un meneo al Real Madrid que lo eliminó, pasó a la final y acabó ganándola. Así que la próxima vez que digáis
Que digáis, que digáis. Que na, 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 na. So I do have two accounts running. I'm copying trading two accounts. I did close one of the positions on one of the accounts. My this account right here. Reason for it is because I thought I was gonna pass my eval. Little did you know that I was off by like $80, but it's all good. We'll get it on some other trade. Not gonna rush into passing or anything like that. Don't want to do anything stupid. Probably should have looked at the number right here to make sure it would have helped, but you know, it is what it is. We'll just have to be patient and wait for the next setup, and then whenever that happens. So I've been in this position before where I've been really close to a couple $100 off passing an eval, and I just end up taking stupid trades. So that's something I want to make sure I don't do this time. So I was before I was around. I want to say. Like before I closed this trade, I was around probably 700. Well, I thought 644 was enough, so I think I was around. Oh wait, you know where it says? It says right here. Okay, looks like we just hit TP1. Yeah, okay. 5277. So we're even closer now. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, that's too good, actually. Hold on. That's actually funny. Let me explain what just happened. How many contracts are we? Just one, right? Am I tripping balls or? Okay, yeah, just one. Okay. Should we just let it run, or should we fucking do a little 1 to 2 or some shit? I don't know. I just don't think it's gonna get all the way. Let's move it a little quicker. Yeah, fuck it. We'll let it run. Whatever. Let me just move this up a little bit so we're actually in Profitino here, so it doesn't like. Okay, there we go. We'll do this. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. That should be okay. Right there. Yeah. Anyway, let me kind of explain what just happened. So there's no way. Oh my god. Okay, because I'm copy trading these accounts. Hold on, that actually, let me go here then real quick and okay. That's too good. Because I'm copy trading these accounts, so I had a sell limit here to sell the contracts on the other account. And because of that, it actually put me into a trade on the other account because I'd already closed them. So usually I was in buy orders. I had sell limits. The sell limits put in sell orders pretty much contradict the buy order, so it evens out to 0. But since I had already evened out the first account, it went into bought in sell. So they was looking for price to go down. I was like, oh shit. Well, this smidge right here that went down off the bounce here, it's little bounce. Since it was since it went down a little bit, it actually went into profit about $100, I think. And now we actually, oh, that's actually insane. That's too good. We're actually up on the account now, so just enough to pass it. That's hilarious. Okay, so there's that. But yeah. All right, so it's 3 minutes. I'm gonna hop off. Just let this run. I'll leave it running until probably I go to work, and then I'll set like a little 1 to 2, depending where we're at or anything like that. You know, just to close it out completely. Because I mean, it is picking up pace. I think they might be able to get up there actually. Where's It's just once what do you call it? ES gets all time highs. I kind of want to close it. I think that might be the play now, in my opinion. So you know what? We'll do this. We'll set a little reminder right here. Because I think ES can definitely get to all-time highs today. I mean, look how that's looking right now. So I feel like this is a doable distance right here. 0.18%. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's doable. So now this is a little bit of a stretch. I feel like we're still got ways to go to get up here. 62. Yeah. So I'm gonna look to close it once probably ES comes up and take these out. So I'll put a reminder there so I can do that. I'll leave this on the screen here. I'll let it run, and then whenever I go to upload, I'll time lapse it or something so you guys can see the whole thing going. But yeah. Wake me up inside. Okay, got 9. 30 seconds to 9:30. Oh shit. Again, the only reason I'm letting this run, if it was any other situation, I wouldn't let this run. Just because these are all kind of like low resistance liquidity stacked up right here. And then on NQ, we literally just have like straight up flood zone. I feel like this is like there's nothing here. This is a zone where it's just gonna flood. So so that's the only reason I'm letting it run right now. But yeah. Anyway, it's 9:30. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my day started. But I'll leave this here. Come and check in it. I'll probably check on it every once in a while on my phone. So you'll probably see the stop, adjust, and stuff like that. If we form new 5-minute lows. Alrighty, so I'm just back on here pretty much for the to kind of show where I got stopped out on my trade from earlier this morning. This candle right here had my stop below this low right here, so this candle was the one to stop me out. As you can see, price action did end up pulling all the way back up and actually hitting full TP. Did end up coming back up and smacking my full TP. Price action just came back down, filled in imbalance, and then moved higher. It's all good. Still great trading day. So can't complain. And I did actually move my stop, so I was trailing it. So that's what the accounts are looking like right now. Ooh. So this evaluation, this one's now up at 891 on the account. Got the funded today, so we'll be trading those later, or probably tomorrow actually. Not sure if I can copy trade. That's something I'm still gonna figure out, but pretty much just wanted to show you guys where the trading have left up, where I got stopped out and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. It was a great trading day. Yeah, that's all I got to say.